it's Emily from WTI. We live in a 100-year-old home that is very short on closet space. This TEDIDUWA industrial pipe clothing rack from the TEDIDUWA shop has been the perfect way to create extra closet space in my daughter's room. I really love the look of it. I love that industrial pipe feel. It's got that sort of like modern industrial vibe. It's also just really practical. It's at the perfect height and it's got these two shelves to store shoes or anything else. But most of all, I've loved repurposing this for a lot of different uses. So as you can see here, I have it turned into a plant stand, which works amazing if you have the right window for it. You can hang plants at the different heights because it's got two racks at varying heights, which allows you to see more of the plants. It's also got two shelves, so you can do the same thing down below. I love the wood grain of the shelves, and again, just that black pipe look. I also used this rack during a clothing exchange, so I loved that it was light enough to move around my home. I also really appreciate how sturdy it is and that it has these support bars on the side. It's also nice because it comes on rollers and it has these locks on the rollers. So when they're locked, it does not slide around, but when they're unlocked, you can move it around easily, which is really convenient. This clothing rack is like a showstopper on its own, but just think of all the different ways that you could utilize it. It's great for displays, it's great for garage sales, it's great for extra closet space. It's just an awesome piece to have. Very practical. I think this rack is the perfect combination of form and function, but that's just my point of view.